Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making pan-fried pork chops easy. For this recipe, we are using 3 pounds of thinly sliced pork chops. That is 8 pork chops in total. Spread out your pork chops on a baking tray. In a small mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoon of kosher salt or to taste, and finally freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix it all in and combine. Then season them with that homemade rub that we created. Use your hands and make sure that you get the seasonings into the meat. Flip the pork chops over and season them on the other side as well. Use all of the rub and do not forget to rub it into the meat. Now in a shallow dish, add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Season the flour with 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a pinch of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give the flour a quick mix until evenly incorporated. Now dredge the pork chops into the seasoned flour and cover it evenly. Once evenly coated, remove any excess flour and transfer onto a plate or a tray. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pork chops. Now in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in about half a cup of canola oil. Once the oil is hot, transfer the pork chops into the skillet. Fry the pork chops in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Cook the pork chops for about 3 minutes per side. And after 3 minutes, flip the pork chops over and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until golden brown. The internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the pork chops are cooked and golden brown, transfer onto a plate lined with paper towels. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pork chops. Check them out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, pan-fried pork chops, easy. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!